Hey you guys, we're back with another video. This is Chef Martin Reyes, My Kitchen Yours. Today we are going to be working on barbecue chicken. But it's gonna be made in the oven, so stay with me and yeah, let's see what we have for you. Place it there. So, alrighty. So what I like to do is cut maybe 3 slices into the chicken, cut off any excess fat or whatever it might have. That's just my own personal preference to making chicken in the oven. Like I said, you guys can do it however you want at home, but this is my way of making it. So, or not unless you guys have any other ideas on how to cook chicken from home, I would like to know. Please let me know in the comments. Look at that, guys. What do you think? Like I said, nothing fancy, just some easy cuts into it for you, the viewers at home. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is move this off to the side real quick. We're going to have our tray here, and what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of salt, extra virgin olive oil, and I like to line up my chicken real quick, you know. Get that there. Make sure the camera's on it. There we go. And there we go. Nice and easy. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to squeeze in a piece or two. This always happens. Okay, there we go. Look at that, guys. Nicely put in there. So, with that said, what I like to do is before I pop it in, I like to put some, I don't use regular salt, I use kosher salt, because I have high blood pressure. It gives it the almost same great taste. I have my kosher salt, and come over here. We're gonna set the oven for bake and 450. Boom. Gotta get that pan out of there, Jesus. Okay, so got our chicken almost ready there, and let's see what other maybe some other spices we could put on it. Not a whole lot to work with, guys, but personally, I like to use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Look at that, beautiful. amazing the taste. Amazing. Okay. And my personal favorite, a little red wine vinegar. I know people must be yelling at home, but this is the way I do mine. So please don't judge me. All right, guys. So stay tuned, and we'll see the end result as I'm getting ready to place this in the oven, and I'll see what kind of sides I have ready for you guys, the viewers at home, and stay tuned. Catch you in a bit. All right, you guys, we're back with an update for you. I put the barbecue chicken right back in there. I smothered it with honey barbecue sauce, and it seems to be coming out good so far. Now we just gotta wait for it to settle just a little bit more, and I will have a quick update for you because I got the wife and the kids coming over, so I gotta prep this real quick. So stay tuned. It's your chef Martin Reyes, so please stay tuned and hit me back in like a couple minutes. Bye. All right, guys, we're back, and here is our end result of the barbecue chicken that I had cooked in the oven. So with that being said, feast your eyes on me. I know we can't all be chefs, but this is some simple home cooking that you can make in your kitchen. It doesn't take much, guys. So remember, I'm leaving you with this message. Those who can cook, those who can get by on whatever. It doesn't have to make you a great chef or an unexperienced person. You just got to know how to learn the basics of cooking. So, guys, once again, Chef Martin Reyes. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more great content for you. So please, I look forward to seeing you in the comments. So please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.